Now I've got the back cover removed. Be careful because you've got the tether cable right here for your jack for your headset and your vibrate and your volume buttons. And to remove this, just take your opening tool and pop this little tab right here on the side. Pop it up and pull it off. There's the back cover to your iPhone. Now once you got it open, this is exposing your battery, which, if you're just replacing your battery, you want to unsolder these, clean them up with some solder remove tool, and attach the red, the white, and the black wire right here, here, and here. If you're replacing the screen, well, that's where we get in a little more in depth. So we want to remove the screws on the sides right here. Remove this screw on the side. You have two screws at the top. You have this cable here that is exposed when you pop your black plastic piece off the bottom of the phone. And you have a screw here. And another one right there. Those need to be removed. Another important thing is to put your screws up, because the last thing you want to do is accidentally get a screw underneath your screen while you're repairing your phone and scratch your new glass putting it back together. After doing that, slowly start prying the phone off the chrome base. Be very, very gentle and very careful. You might need to break out a new tool. I think there might be another one with a battery. I need to do that. Huh? No. There's little tabs underneath all these right here that you have to separate before you can lift out the LCD off the glass. Be careful not to separate your battery wires. And that removes the chrome easel. And there you have your bare iPhone glass. Now to remove this, the LCD is attached right here at the corner with this metal bracket all the way around. And it's right under this plastic piece and this digitizer glass right here. You're going to be very careful not to get anything in between there, trying to put your new glass back in. And be careful not to break your LCD taking this one out. As you can see, there's adhesive in between the glass, in between right here, and the LCD, and the digitizer, where your plastic piece sits. As you can see, as I'm opening it up, you see the glue in between there. It's probably recommended. I'm not going to pull this one out because it's not broke. If it was, what I would do is just gently pry this off, and gently pry this off, and as you pull it out, there's going to be a cable attached on the other side. And there'll be glue, adhesive here and adhesive here. Just pry that off and unattach the cable just like we did for this back part right here. There'll be a cable just like that one, 3 of them. And basically you can pull your digitizer touchscreen out. Clean up all the glue around the edges on the outside and get some easy glue or some crazy glue, I guess. Don't use super glue because it'll burn your plastic and leave residue on the back of your glass in between the LCD and the glass, so don't use super glue. Basically put that back on there after you get it cleaned up, attach the parts back on, put the battery back in, put your chrome piece back on, slide it through, make sure it's all clean. Attach your back piece, put your cables back on, screw it back up, and you have a new iPhone battery and PG glass. So for all your parts and accessory needs for iPhones, Blackberries, Samsungs, LGs, or for any iPhone repairs or smartphone repairs, contact us at 254-315-1002 or at yakville.com. Send us a message. Thanks for watching and look for our next video. Please subscribe.